Good evening. Good evening. Thank you. Y'all, we just did all that trick, so you get it. One more round of applause for Jason Brady. Round of applause for Olivia and Sophia on drums and bass. And for Sophie Tan on piano. Folks, the song that you just heard was the song Until I Reach My Home, a spiritual arranged by Brandon Boyd, which is the basis of our theme for tonight's concert, which is home. All the songs that you're going to hear tonight have something to do with this idea of home. It could be about finding our home. It could be about returning back to our home, or it could be about making a home, which in tonight's concert, we're going to talk a lot about what it means to make a home. If we haven't got the pleasure to meet yet, my name is Mr. Germany. I'm the choir director here at Central Magnet School. This is my third year here at Central Magnet, and the growth we've seen in the last 3 years are incredible. And tonight we have so much special things lined up for you. The first of which is honoring some soloists. Solo singing is a major part of music education, and we have some soloists that we're highlighting tonight. The first one that you're going to hear in this first little set is Mars Parker singing How to Return Home, and then you are going to hear Scotland Craig play piano and sing Home from Beauty and the Beast. Here is Mars Parker. We got to get our Billy Joel set up right quick. Hold on. Scotland, are you correct? There she is. One more round of applause for our soloist. While I struggle getting this mic off this decrepit mic stand, I'll tell you just a little bit about the choir coming on stage. And this is our varsity choir. Varsity choir is a non-audition, we're going to make an adjustment. Varsity choir is a non-audition 9th through 12th grade choir. This year, it's made up of about 62 students. Again, we're talking a lot about our seniors tonight, and I've got a handful of seniors who, when they were freshmen, varsity choir had 10 students in it. And so some of these kids have really seen the full change and growth of this group. This choir, something you're going to hear me talk about tonight, is an event called Choral Performance Assessment, also known as CPA. Choral Performance Assessment is an event where these students sang 3 songs memorized for a set of judges. They were given feedback, scoring, and received trophies based on their scoring. This choir received the highest possible rating of a superior, both in performance and in sight reading, which is a big accomplishment. Give them a round of applause. Talk about tonight are kind of short-lived because next Thursday, a week from tonight, they are going to compete at the State Choral Performance Assessment, which is registered for all choirs across the state of Tennessee. The first song that you're going to hear tonight is a song from their CPA set called I Want to Die Easy, which is a spiritual arranged by Roland Carter, a living composer from Chattanooga, Tennessee. And while the title seems a little daunting, the text is all about finding that eternal home that so many people look for. It's a powerful piece. It features a solo by Joey Holzman. And I hope you enjoy I Want to Die Easy.
I want to see my Jesus when I go. I want to see my Jesus when I die. I want to see my Jesus when I die. Salvation, salvation.
So we go from Die Easy to a perennial favorite, Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Somewhere Over the Rainbow, obviously from The Wizard of Oz, is given a beautiful jazz dramatic harmonization. And I don't know if you've ever really thought about it, but this song, Somewhere Over the Rainbow, is just somebody begging to find home while they're sitting on their front steps. And I think that that's something that as humans, we can feel a lot of times. Being somewhere that's home, but not home. So please enjoy Somewhere Over the Rainbow. One more round of applause for our varsity choir. We're about to get ready for our next round of solos, which comprise duets and trios. The first trio that you're going to hear is At the Ballet, sung by Danica, Reagan, and Rachel. This is from the musical Chorus Line, as these singers, these dancers actually, are reminiscing about the happiest place in their life, which is when they go to the ballet. After that, you'll hear a duet from Polly Grace and Brianna called Bad Idea from Waitress, which is about finding your home in a person, in a loved one, even when it's a bad idea. As this trio is coming out, they talked to me a little bit about why they chose this song, and it really made me marvel in why kids take choir all 4 years and the things that they hold on to. The trio you're about to hear are all seniors, and they heard this song sung 4 years ago when they were freshmen by 3 other seniors, and it's been just a dream of theirs to perform. So it just feels like we have this legacy carrying on in Central Magnet School. Please enjoy At the Bella.
That's what he said, that's what he said. When he proposed to perform my mother, he was probably a very nice chance. Though she was 22, though she was 22, though she was 22, she married him. Life with my dad was never a picnic, more like a commissar. When I was 5, I remember my mother told me inside the car. I knew that they were his, but it wasn't something we could discuss. He wasn't warm. Well, not to her. Well, not to us. But everything was beautiful at the ballet. Graceful men, lovely girls in white. Yes, everything was beautiful at the ballet. I was happy at the ballet. That's when I started this. Up a steep and very narrow stairway to the voice like a metronome. Up a steep and very narrow stairway. It wasn't paradise, it wasn't paradise, it wasn't paradise, but it was home. Mother always said I'd be very attractive when I grow up, when I grew up. Different, she said, with a special something in a very, very personal flair. And though I was 8 or 9, though I was 8 or 9, though I was 8 or 9, I hated her. Now, isn't this nice, but sure is pretty, pretty for what it's about. I never met anyone who was different, who could figure that out. So beautiful to see. Wasn't it though? It's a bad idea, me and you. It's a bad idea, me and you. Hold me close while I leave this room. Yeah, it's a very poor idea, me and you. Hearts are racing, let's face it. Making mistakes like this will make worse, so it's already pretty bad. Let's stop running, it's time we just let this go. Was a pretty good, bad idea, wasn't it though? It's right for me. It's the only thing I've ever done. What if I never see myself ever be anything more than what I've already become? I need a bad idea. 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 Just one. Hearts keep racing. Let's make mistakes. Let us say so what? Make worse was already pretty bad. This secret is safe. No reason to throw it away. There's love to be had. Hold me tight as I tell myself that you might make sense. Make good what has been just so bad. Let's see this through. It's a pretty good bad idea.
Another round of applause for that round of soloists. The group that you see coming to stage is our chamber choir. A chamber choir typically is an advanced choral ensemble that is the smallest ensemble at a school. It is the most select ensemble. All these students had to pass an audition to get here. This is an extracurricular ensemble. They meet once a week at 7 a.m. all through the school year. For the first time in chamber choir's history, they also went to go compete at choral performance assessment, and they also received the highest possible rating of double superiors, and will be on to the State Choral Festival next week. Give them a round of applause. A special shout out for our chamber choir for going to state, because most schools who go to state, most ensembles are classes. They meet 3 times a week, 5 times a week. This is a group of kids who have had 20 rehearsals this school year, and they're singing just incredible music. We're also super lucky. This is our 3rd year of having a chamber choir that early in the morning. Raise your hand if you are a founding member of chamber choir. These kids have suffered for 3 years of waking up at 7 a.m. our program has grown so much that next year Chamber is going to be offered during school as a class, which is a The song that you're going to hear Chamber Choir sing is a Canadian folk song called Wood, Smoke, and Oranges. It's all about a man in a canoe going through Lake Superior, observing all the different landscapes of Canada. And you're going to hear some really interesting instruments like Autumn Cushingham on the bone rattle. Give a shake. Olivia Mangrum on a djembe. And if we're lucky, we may hear a lily call from our pianist. We'll see. Please enjoy Wood, Smoke, and Oranges. And Sophia Mangrum on shaker. One more round of applause for Art Chambers. Two more solos, both from our show choir students. First up, you're going to hear Reese Lee, a senior, also a singer, sing Slipping Through My Fingers from Mamma Mia, which, I mean, hold your tears back to hear a senior girl sing Slipping Through My Fingers. It's going to be terrible. Beautiful singing, terrible emotions. And then you're also going to hear Madison Harbour sing Home from Blue Wings.
School bag in hand, she leaves home in the early morning, waving goodbye with an absent-minded smile. I watch her go with the surge of that well-known sense. I have to sit down for a while. Feeling that I'm losing her forever, without really entering her world. I'm glad when I cry and share her laughter, that honey little girl. Slipping through my fingers all the time, I try to capture every minute. The feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. No, I really see what's in her mind. Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time. Gleam in our eyes, her and me at the breakfast table. Barely awake, I let precious time go by. Then crouching on, there's that odd melancholy feeling with a sense of guilt I can't deny. What happened to those wonderful adventures? The places I had planned for us to go. Some of that we did, but most we didn't. And why, I just don't know. Slipping through my fingers all the time, I try to capture every minute. The feeling in it, slipping through my fingers all the time. Do I really see what's in her mind? Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through my fingers all the time. Sometimes I wish that I could
of applause for Reese and Madison. And our last separate ensemble coming to our stage is our show choir. Again, show choir around the world has a certain connotation. You can think Pitch Perfect, acapella, things like that. And we do things like that. We do a lot of dancing and musical theater. You'll see that in a second. But our show choir here at Central also does high-level choral music. And the piece that you're about to hear is a song called My Very Own. The text comes from Song of Solomon from the Bible, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous song about love. Which, again, true love is finding home with somebody. So please enjoy. This is one of our CPA pieces. They also got a superior at CPA. Are you getting the trend? We all got superiors. And we're all going to please enjoy My Very Own. returning concert and features our seniors. As we're doing that and as the kids are coming on stage, I'm going to give one last special shout out to our seniors. I'm going to greet each one of them with a rose and a personal note that I wrote them. After that, we're going to really quickly give out 2 awards. The second award that we're going to give out is an award called the National School Choral Award. But the first one that we're going to give out is a new award that I'm doing this year called the Director's Award. The Director's Award is an award that's going to be presented to a handful of seniors who may have joined choir late, may have not auditioned for every honor choir, every solo, but they have served a pivotal role in our choir program. So I'm going to honor all of our seniors, and I'm going to give out a handful of awards once they get on stage. One last song, and then y'all are free to go. And y'all, thank you so much for bearing through all this craziness. This is a first for me, so it's a memorable last one. Feel free to applaud for each student. First, thank you so much for calling. Savannah Merritt. Keegan Doré. Cade Williams. Joy Holden. Rachel Pond. Brianna Haley. Cindy Vanderbilt. Sloan Raider. Alicia Moreno. Reese Lee. Kingsley McDade. Amelia Fournier. Danica Trussell. Claire Lowry. Sophia Mangum. Holly Grace Iswanama. Lily Hutchins. Olivia Mangum. Sophie Taylor. More than just a card in a row, Sophie's been our accompanist this year and has done more work than almost anybody in the room. So she got a little gift basket with a lay-day bed, a bunch of snacks, and I got her a calico critter of a piano. Give one big round of applause to all of our students. I'm going to make this really brief so we can get out of this hot room. I just want to say thank you all so much for supporting your music education. I may have a donation bucket after. I know y'all are going to sprint to get out of here. But if you want to support what we do here at Central, you'll see a sad little freshman in the hallway that you can get to. And to you all, and to you on the stage, in my part, I want you to know that not being the road, what Mom and I said, and I wrote this all in your part, that music is enough for a lifetime. But a lifetime is not enough for you. You can always make music wherever you are. Presentation of our Directors Award. Again, these are students who may not have been in choir all 4 or 7 years, may not have made or auditioned for every solo or honor choir, but they have been a pivotal role in our choir. This is also going to be on a large plaque that's in our choir room. The way I say it is these are students who have written their name on the walls of our choir room. The first Directors Award is going to be, you can come up when I name it, so you can get a picture of the plaque. The first Directors Award goes to a student who this room would not function without, and they're so good that they come in a pair. And it goes to Sophia and Olivia. Who has just been an incredible strength in every section that she's sung in, and has just achieved so much. And it goes to Lily Hutchins. And the last one, even though this student hasn't been in choir all of high school, they've made a splash in the choir during their time. It goes to Kingsley McVeigh. Okay, last is our National School Choral Award. This is the highest honor that we give for seniors at Central Magnet School. These are students who have shown dedication, commitment, and integration of choir into their lives. They've made honor choirs, they've been in productions, everything under the sun. I really want to talk more about them, and I'm trying to get y'all home safe, so it's all in the letter. But the first National School Choral Award is going to go to a student who shows so much leadership and will sing whatever I give her, no matter how high it is, and it's going to go to Rachel Horn. The next award goes to a student who, no matter what the world is going through, shows nothing but joy, nothing but love and care. She has worked her way through every choir and every honor choir, and it's going to go to